I know there have been some questions in the past about replacement motors for the Hankscraft 240 humidifier, and I wanted to apologize firsthand if I misled anyone about a particular motor or a website containing these induction motors, because one thing that I failed to mention or even think about was not every shaft here is the same thickness. If you end up with one of these motors where the shaft is a bit too thick to go through the hole on the upper side of the impeller, what you can do, because they're making them all bigger nowadays, you can take a long drill bit and match it up with the width of your shaft here and try to bore it out as centered and perfectly as you can in the impeller, maybe just a hair smaller than the width of the shaft. That way it could be, pounded on, and if it ends up on slightly crooked or something, you can pull it off and try again. I'm not an expert in a lot of things, but I tend to find a way to get things done by just getting creative and thinking about it. The last thing I want to do is, cause someone out there to destroy their humidifier, their vintage Hankscraft, by giving wrong information about shaft alignments and sizes. This is a bathroom fan motor that I ordered new. No, I didn't order it, actually. I believe I picked it up at Ace Hardware in a box, a bathroom fan, and it cost $15. But these are the same kind of motors that are in those old impeller type humidifiers. It's just an induction coil motor. It's brushless. Everything is powered by magnetics. There are no brushes. The AC current in this coil here goes around, it creates a magnetic field around this casing, and there's stripes on the armature. They push it. They push it round and round. So some of these have a flat area like this one. Some have a shaded pole where it's gritty on the end. Others don't. But the one they used in the Hankscraft humidifier model was a very thin. It was a narrow shaft. So not all of these will fit, but there is a way to get it to fit. Perhaps, like I said, drilling it out or something. The other part of this video I wanted to mention is, for the sheer fun of it, I'd like to do commentaries on music, on songs, on movies, simply because I love talking and discussing and critiquing these things. It brings me great joy to listen to great music and watch great movies and reminisce and comment about the details. of it. So if you could do me a favor, or somebody who runs across this video, send me a request of something to review, and I would be very happy to review it and express my thoughts on its detail. Thanks for watching.